Hello guys, this is Hexton and today I am back with another Geometry Dash video. And in today's video, oops, let me make this full screen. Okay, in today's video, we will be doing some of the most liked levels. Okay, we're gonna just do some of them. Start off with Level Easy by Dash. Some good Stereo Madness music. Can do this while I'm looking at both you, or not both of you, what the heck. Sorry, my icons are different than my icons are different than I usually have them because playing on my computer instead of my tablet, so it's just a little different. Nobody really cares. Oh, okay, I made it. That's a weird spot to die at. I can't believe I did that. Whoa, some crazy ship action. No, it's not crazy. Oh no, I was looking at the camera. No, that was stupid. Okay, let's go on the next one. Sonar. Oh, I love the music. Starry Madness 2. Jerk Rat. Sounds like the fat rat. Turn this music up. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. No, I don't want to get copyrighted or anything. I don't want to get sued. Sorry you can hear my clicks so well. It's because I don't have a mouse pad and I'm playing on a wooden desk. So yeah. You can hear it clicking way more than you should. It's so hard to do the wave like this. Whoa, some crazy wave action. No. It's hard to do the wave like this with the mouse. It's so much better on my tablet, but it's easier to record and edit and stuff. No, I'm gonna beat this level. I'm gonna beat this level for you guys. I'm so much better on my tablet. I have like 75% on Club Step. Hashtag get wrecked Club Step. What? Am I right, guys? Am I right? Get wrecked Club Step. I can straight fly on here, but I'm much better on my computer. Or much better on my tablet. Sorry, I'm getting all mixed up. Oh man, I missed that coin. Oh, and I forgot to say this beforehand, but be sure to leave a like on this video and share it with a friend if you thought it was cool. And consider subscribing if you haven't already. So. Also, shout out to my best friend, Black Diamond. His link to his channel will be in the description below. Give him some love. He really deserves it. He's a good YouTuber. He does a lot of Geometry Dash content, just any gaming in general. He'll do Vlogger Go Viral. He'll do... I'm not sure if he does Pokemon or not, but I know he does Vlogger Go Viral. So yeah, be sure to check his channel out. I'll put the link in the description. Oh my gosh, that was like light wave space. What? I'm sorry guys, I know I said I'd beat it, but jerk rat, you're a jerk. You made all that. Hey, he has the same UFO as me. On my tablet, at least. The Nightmare. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I'm pretty good at it. On TOTU, or not on TOTU, at the beginning of 3 of Everything, um, like, it has so many jump pads and so many jump orbs, I just spam it, like, I just spam like crazy. Like that. Oh, it's this ball part. Tight spaces, but it's not very hard. I did this with my friend, the Black Diamond. No, I didn't jump! Oh, but I got 51 at least. Dark Paradise. Yeah, I played this one before. Really good music, though. How are we gonna do on this? I'm fairly bad at the ball. Whoa. I've never gotten this far on it before. I haven't really cared. I've died somewhere stupid and just have not cared at all. Why are there so many arrows? It's not like we need to know where to go. Whoa, oh, it's invisible too. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. There. Yeah, I just died there. Okay. End of line. Forgot you can just like not hit that orb. You're not supposed to hit that orb. LOL. Why is he like? He's just like lol. What? I was supposed to jump right when I went in there. Well, that was the last one, guys. Sorry if it's one of my shorter videos, but yeah. That's all I really need to say, and with that being said, I mean, just like the video, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and subscribe. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, anyway, guys, peace out.